You need to check your motorcycle tires every 2 weeks at least, but if you ride every day, there's no harm checking more often. Your motorcycle tire is the sole point of contact with the road. An over or underinflated tire can result in bad handling, increased wear, fatigue cracking, increased chance for a puncture, decreased grip, lower braking performance, and poor fuel economy. When checking your motorcycle's tire pressure, follow the tire pressures stated by the manufacturer. You can usually find these in the user manual or on a sticker on your bike's swing arm, stating what pressure to use for different loads. For an accurate reading, make sure to test your tire pressure when the tires are cold. You can check at the petrol station, but having your own gauge will be more accurate, and if you have to ride to the petrol station to check your tires, they'll most probably be warm by the time you get there. There are digital and analog gauges available for testing your tires. I use both just to be sure. If you want maximum performance and safety from your motorcycle, I suggest you check your tire pressure often. These points really help me. I hope they help you too.
Please like and subscribe.